Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Start by accessing device settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on notifications and status bar. Following that, tap on manage notifications and select one of your apps, like Amazon Music. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from Amazon are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, just click on the same switcher. But you can also just click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!